Now, purchasing a new car in India is about, well, yes, creating a bond and also about starting a new relationship. A relationship that will last years. And like most bonds we have in life, we want this one to be without hassles as well. In terms of car ownership, this is where the after-sales support from a manufacturer comes into the picture. This parameter is crucial, it's important, and can create the difference between a happy, satisfied and an unhappy, unsatisfied customer. Now, Hyundai is known to provide the best overall service satisfaction in the industry, and this is something that customers say as well as certified agencies like JD Power. So, what makes up for this important service satisfaction? Well, let's do one thing. Let's go for a spin and visit a neighborhood. Right then, I am at Fili Hyundai in the West Delhi, and initially two important things were done as you saw, the temperature check and the sanitizer. Plus, this needs to be a very safe, clean and an organized place as you can see right here.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to video today.
Hi.
How may I help you?
Well, I'm here to understand what goes into making the entire experience so good for the customers.
Right, sir. Please have a seat.
Now, Hyundai has always been promoting a safe environment for their customers, be it during the purchase process or after that when you bring your car for a service. Right now, also, this is basically a contactless way of creating a job card. It's a complete digital format over here. I can see the past record for the car in terms of what has gone into servicing, and even right now, if I want to add any particular thing in my car, all this happens through this touchpad, and it goes into the system. So a job card need not be physical as has been the case always. So this is the right way to go forward. I think Hyundai has always been at the forefront of creating a new benchmark, and this is no different. Right then, with the job card formalities done, it is time for me to go into another safe zone which every customer does while waiting for his car to be serviced, the customer lounge. This is one area where I think almost every single customer has spent some amount of time depending upon which service his or her car is going through. And I must say, this is damn impressive. It is neat, it is neat, it is comfortable. I have my light refreshments right over here. And most importantly, I'll show you something. Come this side. So this is what I'm talking about. From the safety and comfort of your customer lounge, you can have a clear view of your car which is undergoing service right over here in this service base. I was at VD Hyundai for about 1 hour and noticed a lot of other aspects that end up making a customer experience so much better and safe. Regular disinfection of various touchpoints, the team following safety protocols, and trained technicians working in alternative service bays for ensuring ample social distancing. I also got to understand how Hyundai's 90-minute express service works with dedicated technicians ensuring this data was attended to swiftly. And customers also get peace of mind with assured quality from Hyundai's genuine parts that are extremely competitive in terms of pricing. For example, for the turbo petrol GDI i20 that I was driving, you pay only 75 rupees for the oil filter, 1400 for a rear shock absorber, or 740 for an engine timing chain. Surprised? Well, even I was. Already impressed with Hyundai's service, right? Well, there is a lot more to come. What if I told you Beforehand, you can check the actual service cost of your Hyundai car before coming to the workshop, sitting in the comfort of your office or home from your mobile phone. Yes, that's possible, and the amount of money you see will be the actual amount of money you will be paying for a routine maintenance service of your Hyundai car. Plus, this has been an eye-opener for me. The actual service cost for the Hyundai i20, India's best premium hatchback, is among the lowest in the segment. For example, the one I'm driving right now, the turbocharged GDI model, for that you will be spending as a customer 1,500 for the first year service, 2,100 for the second year service, and approximately 4,500 for the third year service. This is peanuts for what is a really good premium hatchback.
जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. In today's video, I'm sure you have seen that Hyundai service is not only safe and transparent, it is also value-based for your pockets. All the right ingredients then to ensure that you as a Hyundai customer, you have a satisfying experience with your four-wheel companion for years. And to make Hyundai your lifetime partner, you can also opt for the industry-unique Hyundai Mobility membership.